Hello everyone. Today I am unboxing my November Sephora Play, or Play by Sephora, whatever the hell it's called. I think it goes by both. So this is a $10 subscription, and it contains like beauty, hair care, skincare, all that stuff that's featured at Sephora, but more like deluxe sample size. So you usually get 5 items and then like a bonus item. So I am going to see what I got. I know there was like a sneak peek that everyone was gonna get a lip product, but other than that, I have no idea what I'm getting. So when I open it, this is what it looks like. It says show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play. And as usual, there is a little piece of paper here with your 50 points to Sephora, which you can use for your Beauty Insider points. I think you can use that, yeah, it says online or in stores. So, let's see. This is a little different. There's usually like some big colorful thing like this. If I can even fit it all on the camera. It says, Holiday Survival Pocket Guide. Keep this guide on hand at every holiday party, whether you need a quick fix for your makeup or a get out of awkward conversation free card. We've got you covered from now until the new year. And then it just tells you some tips. I'm not going to read it all to you because you don't want to hear me talk about that. You probably want to see what's inside. On the other side, it shows what is inside and it gives some details. It does not give pricing, but I will keep that out here to refer to. And then lately the stuff comes in these bags, like a little resealable plastic bag. I'm just going to toss this aside. And it says your once a month squeal-inducing bag of amazingness is here. So I'm just going to take one by one out, and I love this brand and I love dry shampoo, the Amika. This is the Perk Up dry shampoo. If you have not smelt their products, they smell so good, like so freaking good. I actually just use their detangler. I think I even have it right here behind me. Yeah, see, this is what I use in here when I brush my hair. So I love their stuff. Super excited about this. The more dry shampoo, the better, I say. Always good to have them on hand, especially when they smell that good. So this is an oil absorbing spray that instantly refreshes hair and adds volume. It says this quick no wash cleanser is the perfect match for your second day hair. It leaves strands soft, smooth, and volumized, plus the scent is oh so fresh. So far so good. I'm liking the bag. Let's see what the second product is. So this is a lip product probably that one. We either got this or another one. The Grande Lips HydraPlump Liquid Lipstick in Desert Peak. It's semi-matte, it says. And it says some stats on the back. 97% say it's comfortable to wear. 94% say their lips look naturally fuller. So I could use some more full lips. I barely have a top lip. Let's see. Oh, I've used this brand before in their lip plumping. I think we got a gloss. Yeah, we did. I used it recently in my Forgotten BoxyCharm. So I like how you could see the color. Is it not focusing? I'm sorry. But I like the packaging of it. It says it's in a terracotta pink shade with a semi-matte finish. So this is what the doe foot type thing looks like. And I just cleaned off some swatches, so if you see some glitter, that's from my BoxyCharm video. Ooh, I like this color a lot. It's like an everyday type color. I have some lip product on now or else I would try it, but this seems like something I would definitely wear. Very pretty, goes on very smoothly. And I like that it's only semi-matte because I don't like fully matte products typically. Like I have one on now and I don't know, I don't love it, so I'm excited about that. It says this long wear creamy liquid lipstick visibly plumps and hydrates skin with Volulip, Instaplump, and hyaluronic acid, making it the gift that keeps on giving. And this is an exclusive, apparently. A few of these are. Oh my gosh, I just peeked at something else I'm getting. I think this might be one of my favorites because I really want to try something. But I'll get to it because this isn't it yet. Oh, this is a CC cream by a skincare company I do not know, or beauty company, Herbarian Korean Skin Therapy, High Definition Radiance Skin Perfector. So this is the packaging. So this is, yeah, like I said, a color correcting primer that blurs imperfections for a more even complexion. So it's a primer. So this is what it looks like. Let's put some on my skin. I bet this is one of those things like you can wear alone or with makeup over it. Wait, no, it's white. That's what it looks like before I blur it out. Yeah, that is white. I had some color underneath it, I didn't even realize, but when I blurred in, if it looks a little orange, just because I had that Cover FX drops on there, like apparently didn't all come off with my makeup wipe. But yeah, you're supposed to just put it, it delivers a luminous complexion that's prepped for makeup. It's a non-oily formula, has SPF 25, so yeah, you just rub it in. So this is a CC cream, but it's not to be worn alone. It's like a skin perfector. And this is also an exclusive, so I'm excited to try it. I'm always willing to try new things. I wonder how this would work on like darker complexions though. It does look really white, but it did blend out, so maybe just white at first until you blend it. Okay, and next thing I see, I really like this brand for perfume. This is Juliet Has a Gun, not a perfume. I think I may have tried this before. Yes, a long time ago. So this is the bonus item, which typically is a perfume bonus item. And look, it's actually full. I know a lot of times when you get perfume samples, it's just not full. I'm gonna spray it even though I have perfume on already. Yeah, it smells good. Let's see what it says since I'm no expert. It is a fragrance inspired by the Shakespearean heroine that crafts feminine romantic scents for the modern woman. It's in the fragrance family woody and earthy. The top note is, and the middle note, and the base note are all the same, and it's a word I have no idea what it is. Cetalox. So, yeah, it says this fresh and clean scent is composed of just one note, Cetalox, making it hypoallergenic and ideally for people who normally pass on perfumes. I think that's why it's called not a perfume. It doesn't have all the strong chemicals in it and stuff. It smells really good. Looks like it's gonna rain here. But yeah, I've used it before and I like it. It's like a good everyday perfume, especially for like work or somewhere where you don't want to be too strongly like scented. Okay, this is so tiny, but this is what I'm the most excited about. Look at this little Laura Mercier setting powder. This is their translucent loose setting powder. I'm so excited. I've heard a lot of good things about it. This is a bestseller at Sephora, so that's so cool. And I actually like getting like sizes like this because then I'll know if I really like it, you know. So this is a weightless powder, absorbs oil and leaves skin with a smooth, even matte finish, meaning it'll be shine free in every photo, plus the formula won't settle into fine lines or pores. If that is true, I'm gonna love this stuff. And I've seriously heard about it a lot. Like, I think a decent amount of beauty YouTubers like this. Or maybe all of them. I don't know. But I know I've heard good things and I'm super excited to try it because there's no pricing on here, but I have a feeling the full size is a little pricier. So super excited. I think this is a great box. There's one more item though. And this is by Clinique. Oh, this is so cute and little. This is an eye cream. So this is Look on the Bright Side eye cream, a lightweight eye cream that brightens and hydrates your skin in a second. This cream helps visibly depuff skin for a refreshed look. Awesome. Plus its peptides support natural collagen reserves that are threatened by work, family visitors, and holiday party overload, i.e. stress. So I'm excited. So since this is an eye cream, the sample is not like too terribly small because you really only need a little bit. Just dab it on. So yeah, I'm loving this lip color, by the way. Like, yeah, it definitely is cream, but it does have like it looks like it's drying down a little bit, but not completely, which is ideal for me. I already like that perfume I've tried before. I love the smell of this product. I could always use more dry shampoo. The setting powder, I'm the most excited about. The lip powder, like I said. Everything. I'm happy with this box. What do you guys think? Did you guys get any of the same items? I think this might be my favorite Sephora play. I cannot wait to go try out that powder. I'm like, did I set my face yesterday? I think I did, but I'm just so excited to try all this, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe if you like unboxings. I do them every day. Hopefully I might miss some days coming up when I'm traveling, but other than when I travel, I post daily. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.